We're going on a trip to our favorite rocket ship, soaring through the sky, little Einstein. Don't mind me, y'all. I'm just getting creative, okay? Trying to stay out the way of these copyright claims, if you know what I mean. However, it is very important to accept the journey and embrace any rides. They say what we focus on grows. So, I'm going to let my actions speak louder than words moving forward with this point. As we learn to take better care of our mind, body, and spirits, love on those who love on you. I hope everyone is doing well, bringing in this New Year's with a happy heart, mind, body, and soul, you guys. As you can see here, I am getting into the groove of vibrating higher, loving on myself, tapping into greater energies, soaring through the sky, little Einsteins. The journey is, of course, an evolution, taking it one day at a time. Self-improvement, self-growth, and self-love all comes from within. We are all blessed in a day and age where not only are the resources of bettering ourselves mentally, physically, spiritually is available. Let's get into these results, okay? Hair growth is going crazy, guys. As you can see, the shrinkage is out of this world. However, annoying, it is still beautiful, very beautiful. For my real rights, I appreciate you all for tuning in and staying tuned with this journey of mine, because this journey is all of ours, okay? I told y'all this is our year, and I hope that we are all staying tapped into good vibrations, good energy, focusing on the good, because if we do good, good will come to you. The goal here is to become a better you, the best version that you see fit for yourself. Staying true and being you is the only way to make it through. Energies and vibrations do not lie. Trust yourself every time. Be well, stay wise. Man with this system, we cannot break.